Felicities, my name is Jan Victor, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm a queer, non-binary, immigrant Filipino organizing in my pocket of the world and trying to look fabulous doing it. And so if all of that sounds great to you, you should probably click subscribe to this channel. We are going to do a video that is actually reviewing something that I bought and unboxed 2 years ago, and I will also link the video of the unboxing to the bag I'm reviewing, which is this. This is the Vintage Hermes Kelly Retourne in the size 32 centimeter blue marine color box leather, and it has been dyed. This bag, the stamp on it is 1951, so next year it will be officially 70 years old. It was my very first Hermes purchase that I bought pre-loved. I've enjoyed my time using this bag. This is probably one of my most used pre-loved bags, and because of its age and overall and how well it's held up, I've definitely used and abused it. Just a few key things. This is a top handle bag. The older models do not have the little clip to make it a shoulder strap, but if you find the proper, like a proper canvas strap or something, you can put it here. And yes, I have used this on the shoulder, but I do prefer it top handle. This bag comes with the Clochette and cadena. I don't really use it, and I'm only using it for the purposes of this video. I never use it, to be honest. I actually wear my bag literally like this. So really quick, some quick highlights. This bag was purchased at roughly around $1,725 pre-loved from a Japanese reseller. I got it authenticated by Baba Baby for about $90, who was the one that informed me of the year of this bag. It is definitely worth it for the price of a Kelly under $2,000 in 2018, and all the amount of use I've gotten out of it, and just how chic and stylish it is. And when I wore it in Paris, she is great. I think this is, when I reflect on this quarantine and letting go of a lot of bags, this bag probably is the one bag I could probably never let go. Out of all my holy grail bags, this was the one that actually met and exceeded my expectations. You can really stuff it. I have put quite a lot of things in here. I put a tablet in here, a bottle, a water bottle, and just stuffed it to the brim. And because the return look is relaxed and has this kind of like slouch, it has a lot more give to it versus some of the Cellier look, which is very rigid. And what I really like about buying pre-loved Hermes, if you go into really vintage pieces, is you'll find some excellent pieces for competitive prices instead of paying $10,000. And not to say, because, you know, I've definitely bought newer models, but I think this is one of the bags that has not disappointed. And I think overall, I am a big fan of the Kelly. This is one of my favorite looks to pair into my wardrobe, because you can wear it very dressy, then you can wear it very casual, and you can also wear it professional. So I think it's a good, you know, all-around bag where you can wear it from work to play. What's really cool too is I've definitely seen people like not even top handle it, but like hold it almost as a clutch, and so chic. So my overall thoughts of this bag is, if you're gonna go for an Hermes bag and you're not really ready to make the commitment in the price, and you're not sure if you're just buying it for the hype, go pre-loved. Go pre-loved, find it at a competitive price, try out the bag, and instead of paying 10 grand for something that fails, because I have watched many YouTubers that have bought Birkin 35 because they were offered it, it was an ugly color, and now they don't use it, and they're out between $9, $10, $11, $12,000. If they bought it on the reseller market, where some people, you know, up the price, you could be out $13,000 to $15,000. This one I spent under 2 grand, and I probably use it more than what most people will use with their Hermes bags, because most folks do not use their bags. I really like also the box leather. This one has been re-dyed, and so yes, it's not the original, like, this isn't the original feel of it. It's been dyed by somebody in Japan or whoever used this and owned it. But for 70 years old, 69 and a half years old, Look at that. It looks new. There is a slight odor, but I've used like charcoal little baggies, and so that's helped neutralize the odor. But that's what you get when you get some of the older model bags. And yes, there's like a lot of wear on the hardware, but overall, it just meets all the expectations. And so 2 years later, I still love and appreciate this bag. I'm really blessed that I was able to get an Hermes piece for under $2,000, my first piece, to get a Kelly Return 32 and actually enjoy it, use it, abuse it, love it, and get a lot of wear out of it. Because what's the point of having a bag if it just sits and collects dust? And most of my bags are collecting dust during this quarantine, especially this one, because I really just run errands, so I just take, but like right now my errand bags probably range from my Henry Bendel 712 or my Coach Cassie. This one is such a spectacular bag. My review is A++, 10 out of 10, love it, wouldn't change a thing about it. And so I think that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Let me know what you think about Hermes and your first Hermes purchase, whether it was bought pre-loved or new, and if you got a lot of wear out of it. And let me know what your thoughts are, particularly on the Kelly Return 32 centimeter size if you have it. This is her, she's beautiful, and I hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye. Don't forget, like and subscribe.